Hey creators, I hope you all doing well and creating something crazy stuff nowadays. In this video, I gonna give you free camera shake effect preset. This preset is mostly used in a music videos, and obviously you not need to be upgrading your Premiere Pro. If you have at least CS version of Premiere Pro, you can be use this preset easily. It is in format of preset, it means you can be use it in every version of Premiere Pro. You can also create this effect in After Effects, but it'll take a lot of time to create. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a free preset that you can be used in your videos without getting any commercial and copyright issues. Let's suppose you're working on a project and obviously you need to be put some camera shake effect at some points in that video. So what is the fastest way to do that? Obviously you need a preset, because if you are creating some transition on all the points, it takes a lot of time to do that. Instead of creating some of the effects like that, if you have a preset, you can be just putting all the points right there and you can be getting it in a smaller time. That save your time, and obviously you deliver your project on that time, right? So that's why I just creating a preset and give it to you. You just drag and drop in your timeline and you're getting a beautiful effect in your video. So now we are in Premiere Pro. First of all, we just create a new project. So yeah, I'm here. So I just putting a two of the footage, and both of the footage I downloaded from Mixkit. You can also get this link in the description below. Mixkit is the website that provides you a copyright, free music, free effects, free videos, and a lot of the things. You can be check it out, link in the description below. So before putting this on my timeline, the one thing I want to be clear, as you can be see, both of the footage are video in the video info. You can be see both of the footage set with a 1920 and 1080 resolution. If you are using preset, then keep in mind both of the footage that you are made with this preset transition both with the same resolution, because if you are using some of the footage that is in 4K and the other footage is in 1920 in 2K, then it will be not good, right? It's not working perfectly. Then obviously you need to be put both of the footage in 1920 to 1080 to make the preset working fine, right? So I'm just drop this on my timeline. So first of all, I have to be create adjustment layer. For that, I just go to this new items and now create adjustment layer. For 1920 1080 is automatically detected, and just press OK, and we got adjustment layer. So now I am just dropped it on my timeline, and now make a cut, make a keyframes cut to make our preset working fine. So keep it in mind, this preset not working with like other presets, like other transitions, because the other transitions I given to you are working with a same keyframes on the right and left side as well, but this keyframes working with the 20 frames on left side and 25 frames on right side. Total keyframes you need is 45 frame. For that, I'm just hold shift and go to left. If we press arrow key left, it's just 5 frames. Let's confirm it. I'll just go back and now count it by pressing left arrow key. 1 2 3 4 5. It's just 5 frames. And now I just hold shift and now right arrow key, just go back. As you can see, it's just a 5 frames when we hold shift and now move right arrow key or left arrow key. And now let's count a 20 keyframes. For that, I just hold shift, left arrow key, 1 2 3 4, and it's 20 keyframes done. I just make a cut right there by pressing Ctrl K. Now it's a 20 keyframes. Now we have to be cut this by just pressing Ctrl K, make a cut right there and delete the extra adjustment layer. I'm just delete it. Go back by hold shift, right arrow key, go back. So we have to be count 25 frames on right side. For that, I just hold shift, right arrow key, 1 2 3 4 5, and now is our 25 frames, and make a cut by press Ctrl K and delete the extra adjustment layer. And now we have a 45 keyframes adjustment layer. So make a cut at the very center. So we get 20 frames on left side and 25 frames on right side. So now we have to be put our preset in our effects. So some of the peoples doesn't get this effects panel. I don't know why, but still I just tell you how we can get this effects panel. If you can't see there, just go to Windows and check effects. You will got effects panels right there, right? So the first folder is preset, and now right click and import preset, and now select your preset location where you can be set it. So now I just select this camera shake effects preset and press select, and after a few seconds it will be appears in your effects preset folder, right? I just call this effects camera shake WGFX obviously. So we got a folder that contain 6 different preset, and obviously we use it one by one. So first of all, I just take this first one. So as you can see, it is our in, so I just put it as a in, right, on the first adjustment layer, that is 20 keyframes, and out at the second one, that is 25 keyframes. And as you can see, it's just looking like stopping our transition, not looking good. So make it clear, we just make it render into out. Just go to sequence and select render into out. It's take a few time, but after a few time this line is made to be green, and now this line is to be made to be green, and right line is also to be green. Then our footage will be played with a perfect way. And now as you can see, our lines rendering now to complete, and now our footage will be completely green. And now we have to be watch this out. Let's see how it look like. As you can see, it's just looking like amazing, right? So as you can see, we just move our cursor. As you can see, it just zoom out. Now camera shake effects, some of the brightness with HDR light, and as you can see, it's just shaking right there. And now the second footage will appear. It's just in a rest, right? After a few seconds, it just shake as well, just with a HDR light, and now it's just looking like amazing, right? So if you do that with the Premiere Pro without using any preset, it's take a lot of time, and obviously if you have to deliver your project as soon as possible, so obviously I doesn't recommend you to create this effect and put it on your timeline. Instead of creating effects, you need to be download some of the preset and get it on your project and just drag and drop, and that's a perfect way to save your time and deliver your project at a time, right? So yeah, here is the video of today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, if you like our transitions, if you like our preset that I given to you, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel with a post notification, and comment below if you have any question about this video. If you have any question about Premiere Pro, After Effects, or any other software, if you need anything, mail me. I also mention my Gmail in the description below. Must check it out. If you need any project basis information, or if you need any, mail me right there, and I will try my best to reply you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.